Hi everyone, it's Dawn, and I wanted to come on here today to talk to you about ceramides and how I incorporate ceramides into my beauty routine. I made a video a few weeks ago actually a few months ago, about peptides and how I incorporate peptides in my skincare routine and why they're so important. I'll link that video below in the description box, but today I wanted to talk to you about another skin replenishing ingredient called ceramides. So what are ceramides? Ceramides are lipids or fats that are found in high concentrations in the outermost layer of our skin. And they're like a powerhouse skin replenishing ingredient because it's already found in your skin. And when you add ceramides to your skin, you're replenishing them. And they play a vital role in anti-aging and how our skin responds to environmental stressors. And it also, like I said, they have an anti-aging role. They will immediately make your skin look more youthful because your skin will behave more bouncy and youthful, and it will have that sheen or glow to it that youthful skin has that's often missing in older, kind of dried out skin. So you definitely want to replenish your ceramides and peptides and all these replenishing ingredients. We often talk about BHAs, AHAs, acids, retinoids, and all these skin treatment ingredients, but it's also very important to focus on the replenishing ingredients as well. They definitely work in tandem. So ceramides work very well in tandem with other skin replenishing ingredients. They work well with niacinamide, linoleic acid, and peptides, and other ingredients that you find in your anti-aging skincare. Ceramides will often work very well alongside those other ingredients, and you can use them together. And they also work great with your BHAs and your AHAs. So when you're using your acids and things like that, I often like to use some ceramides over them. So you're replacing those lipids and the fats that the acids might be kind of breaking down or making deteriorate. You're replenishing them. So they're very important. I am just going to share with you some ceramides that I use. I don't have very many at all, and one is new to me, and you might be shocked because I'm sure it's not new to any of you. This one is clean, believe it or not. It's made by Elizabeth Arden, and this one's a little pricier, but you can get them at Costco, and you can often get two for the price of one at Costco. There's deals on it if you belong to Costco, but I got mine from my mom, and these are the ceramides from Elizabeth Arden. They've been around since the 90s, so you may have tried them. They are clean on the Think Dirty website. They don't have any toxic ingredients in them. There aren't pure. It's not just ceramides in here. I think there's a little retinol in here. There's peptides in here, but they are skin replenishing ingredients. And what it is a little capsule, and I can use one of these 3 times. So you just twist off the tip of it, and whatever's on your skin already, you can put this on top, and it's not greasy, it's very silky, and it's not heavy, and it's very easy to spread around and feels very comfortable. And then I'll sleep with it on my skin. Then the next morning, I'll take a tiny bit more, and whatever I've put beneath my eyes, I'll just pat my ceramides around my eyes and anywhere else where my skin's a little dry, maybe the corners of my mouth or around my nose here. And then the following evening, I'll use the last amount that's still left in here over my skincare again. So one of these capsules goes a very long way for me. So that's one thing that I really like. And I often use it over several different serums. At night, I use Mad Hippie, and during the morning, I use Juice Beauty. So at night, I'll use my Oz Naturals Pro Retinol 2.5. This is a cold pressed retinol by Oz Naturals. It's clean. I'll put this all over my skin and then follow it up with my ceramide, and that's all I'll do. I'll go to bed. Sometimes I'll even add some firming peptides too, just whatever my skin needs at the time. And then I have my Mad Hippie exfoliating serum, which has lactic acid, and this is a great exfoliant, and I'll use a ceramide over this as well, or I'll use it along with my vitamin C from Mad Hippie, or my Derma E overnight peel, and this is an alpha hydroxy acid, very light peel. And what this mainly does is get rid of any dry skin kind of hanging on. It's actually more of a humectant, in my opinion, than a peel, because I like to use this when my skin is already peeling to get rid of any skin kind of hanging on. and then I put the ceramides over it, and it just keeps my lipid barrier intact. It keeps my skin from getting too flaky and dried out, and it keeps it shiny and glowy like more youthful skin would look. Then I have another one, and I use this one. This is new to me, and I was on the fence about purchasing it for a long time, but so many of you love it and have told me about it, and Dr. Dre loves it, and she's a dermatologist if you watch her, and I really respect her opinion. And this is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. And it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. And I like this because I use this all over my neck and my chest and on my body skin. Mainly my upper body skin. This is what I've been replenishing my ceramides, and ceramides are kind of a newer thing that I've been adding into my skincare routine since maybe December, and I have noticed my skin looking a lot more bouncy and just looking more glowy, and I feel like it's something that I've been missing in my skincare routine. I do use niacinamide, and I do use antioxidants, and I use peptides, but I wasn't using just a ceramide. So now I have been, and I feel like it's the missing ingredient that I've been needing. So I thought I'd make a video to talk about it with you, and I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm sure there's a lot of other ceramides out there. Oh, but I wanted to tell you that this does have parabens in it, and it gets a 50/50 score from the Think Dirty website. So I am gonna try to find a cleaner ingredient, a cleaner product that does have the 3 essential ceramides in it. But in the time being, I don't mind using this. It's hypoallergenic. It doesn't have a fragrance. Either do the Elizabeth Arden ceramides, and you can use all ceramides around your eyes as long as they are fragrance-free and free of irritating ingredients. So just make sure you check for that. I check at the Paula's Choice website, and Paula's Choice does make her own line of skincare. I'm putting this on my hands right now, and it is amazing. I can't believe I've never used this product before, because everyone talks about how good it is, and it is really good. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. I love interacting with you, and I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.